This video is talking about business canvas model for our cafe, which is Aki's Unique Cafe. But first, let me introduce about our cafe. Our cafe are located at Plaza Merdeka in Kuching, Sarawak, which is here. Our business will start up in December 2021. What business we are doing? Aki's Unique Cafe. It's a snack serving business. They are selling a snack, drink, and dessert. These are the example, such as Dava Seaweed Crunchy, printed photo drink, and mixed caramel. So now, we are going to look at business model canvas. What is business model canvas? Business canvas model is describe an organizational creed value and chapter value. This 9 building block is much more easy for you to go through before you do business plan. First, we will talk about customer segment, which is identify who are my customer. So, we are target to tourists who came to Kuching, Sarawak. Also, customer from Kuching, Sarawak and other student that's who like going cafe. Also, people from all age and race. For value proposition, what value we are going to deliver to our customer? It's via make sure our product is in high quality and we are using fresh ingredients and well-trained employee to serve customer. Also, nice environment. In the channel part, how we reach our value to our customer. We are using mobile apps, social media marketing, and advertising. The social media marketing is such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. How can we get and keep a deep customer relationship? What should we do to attract customer to come out our business rather than to go to others' companies? So, we are giving discount and voucher to our customer. Second, friendly and quick services. And then, we are also giving a member system. Next, for revenue stream, we get the revenue from our sales, which is selling snack, drink, and dessert. For the key resources is our important asset in our model canvas. It's to be our productivity, which is human resources is the most modern things. Also, cafe website, social media, machine, and so on. Daily method to operation. What activity everybody should do to complete into in order to be successful, which is it's need to dedicating cooking and serving. It also marketing and customer relationship. They should identify customer need too. What do you have partner up with in order to have healthy business? We are partner with from raw material supplier, credit card company which is bank, and also web and apps designer. And the last one is the cost structure. Figure out the cost I have and how much that sells in order to in profit, which is fixed cost and variable cost. So, this is the business canvas model for our cafe. Aki's Unique Cafe. Thank you for watching. Don't be stressed. Happy go lucky, guys. Bye.